Welcome to the Automation Mentor. If you want to learn how to save time and scale your business using powerful tools, you're in the right place. Have you ever walked into a massive store, completely overwhelmed, unsure where to find what you need? You wander around, maybe get frustrated, and sometimes you just leave without buying anything. Now imagine a different experience. A personal guide who meets you at the door, understands what you're looking for, and leads you directly to it, making the whole process smooth and efficient. That guided experience. In the online world, that's essentially what a sales funnel is. It's a carefully designed path that takes potential customers from their first point of contact with your business, step by step, towards a specific action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, registering for a webinar, or making a purchase. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but also complicated to build. And in the past, it often was. You'd need web designers, developers, and a whole lot of technical know-how to piece together all the different pages and systems. But that's where a tool like ClickFunnels comes in. Imagine having a powerful yet user-friendly platform specifically designed to help you build these guided customer journeys, these sales funnels, easily. ClickFunnels is a software that empowers businesses, even if you're not a tech wizard, to create these effective online paths without needing to write a single line of code. So what's the core problem ClickFunnels really solves? Well, many businesses have websites, but often these are like static brochures. They provide information, sure, but they don't actively guide visitors towards a sale or a conversion. ClickFunnels helps you move beyond that static approach. It allows you to create dynamic, optimized pathways designed from the ground up to convert visitors into leads and leads into customers. And the benefits for your company can be significant. Think about it. Instead of scattered efforts, you get a focused system for generating increased leads. Instead of confusing navigation, you get optimized pages leading to higher sales conversion rates. You can set up automated sales processes that work for you 24/7, nurturing leads and guiding them through the buying journey. Plus, you gain much better customer journey tracking, understanding exactly where people are engaging and where they might be dropping off, so you can continually improve. With ClickFunnels, the possibilities are quite broad. You can build different types of funnels depending on your goals. Need more potential clients? You can create a lead generation funnel offering a valuable freebie in exchange for contact information. Looking to sell a product or service directly? A sales funnel can guide customers through the purchase, upsells, and downsells. Hosting an online event? A webinar funnel can handle registrations, reminders, and post-event follow-ups. These are just a few examples of how you can tailor these pathways to meet specific business objectives, from launching a new product to growing your email list. This is just a glimpse into what ClickFunnels is and what it can help you achieve. It's about creating intentional, effective experiences for your potential customers online. By the end of this series, you'll understand how to leverage ClickFunnels to achieve more qualified leads and ultimately higher online sales for your business. If this explanation was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've ever thought about using a sales funnel for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to the Automation Mentor so you don't miss the next video in this series. And if you're ready to try ClickFunnels for yourself, I've left a link for a free trial down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.